Hey everyone, welcome back to SeedSafe Financial. Today we're tackling an important question. Do you need life insurance? And how much is enough? Life insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all. So we're going to go through the key factors to help you decide if it's right for you and your family. Let's dive in!
A, B, comma, Mark.
There are a number of ways to calculate your life insurance need, and the version we use at SeedSafe is the needs analysis method. We believe this is a comprehensive and personalized method that considers immediate needs at death, ongoing needs, future needs, and what you currently have that can help you get part of the way there. Here are the main parts of the analysis. First up, does anyone depend on your income to live? This could be a spouse, kids, or even elderly parents. What ongoing support do you want to provide your loved ones? For example, if you're the sole earner with 2 kids in elementary school, what would you consider? Would you want the kids to maintain their standard of living through high school? Can your spouse go back to work? What kind of income can they expect long term? Is there an ongoing need to assist them? Will you be leaving behind aging parents who planned on you to be their retirement plan? Life insurance can be a safety net that provides financial support for them when you're no longer around. 2. How would your savings be replaced? It may not be enough to consider your current expenses and lifestyle. Have you saved up enough for your kids to go to college? Or does a shortfall exist? Will you provide additional funds for your partner so they can retire at a certain age? Do you currently have an emergency fund in case something happens? Life insurance can step in quickly to fund cash reserves and allow for future monies to be invested for down the road. 3. What about debts and financial obligations? Now think about any outstanding debts you have. This could be a mortgage, student loans, or credit card debt. If you pass away, who would be responsible for these payments? Life insurance can cover these obligations, ensuring your family isn't burdened with debt. Also, if you have any co-signed loans, insurance can prevent your co-signers from having to take on the full responsibility when you pass. 4. Covering funeral and end-of-life expenses. Funerals typically range from $7,000 to $20,000 or more. Life insurance can help cover these costs, so your family doesn't have to worry about how to pay for them. Plus, if you have any medical bills before you pass, life insurance can help cover those too, preventing financial stress during an already difficult time. 5. Transition expenses. If something were to happen to you, would your partner move to be with family and friends? Would you want to provide additional funds for counseling, for help around the house, help with the yard? There are many reasons to consider even more life insurance as a buffer for if you are no longer there to help participate. What are some other notes to consider around life insurance? A lot of us have a life insurance policy from our employers, but the question is it enough? Employers provide insurance, but usually in a limited amount of coverage, often just a multiple of your salary. It may not be sufficient for your family's needs. Plus, remember, the coverage usually ends when you leave the job, so having your own policy might be a wise choice. What about your health and insurability? Another thing to consider is your current health. If you're in good health, you can typically get the insurance at a lower cost. However, if you have any health issues, securing life insurance sooner rather than later is important, as premiums tend to increase as age goes up and in declining health. Do you have any other personal goals or legacy needs? Life insurance can be great for your family, especially if you're passionate about a charitable cause or want to leave a legacy. Life insurance can help make a significant step towards that. It can also be used to transfer wealth to the next generation, helping with estate taxes and providing a financial legacy. Make sure to discuss this with your financial advisor and see if it fits in with your financial goals. So, do you need life insurance? If after these considerations you think you may need some and it would make a financial impact for your family or your dependents, life insurance could be a key component for your plan. Remember, the goal of life insurance is to provide financial security and peace of mind, ensuring your loved ones are taken care of even if you're not there. If you'd like to see what life insurance policy could do for you, consider going to an online marketplace to review available policies and costs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to SeedSafe Financial, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. And until next time, go forth and grow your wealth.